Hi and welcome to Mix Easy Eats. In this video we'll be making this beautiful ginger chicken stir fry. Let's get into it. So using half an onion, you just want to cut it up into thin slices. Like so. Then just cut them in half again. Pretty roughly, doesn't need to be neat. Then just kind of break them up. And it'll just look something like that. Alright, next up we've got 3 spring onions. So we just take the ends off those. And just kind of slice them up finely. So we'll get all of those into a dish. We'll just put them in there with the onions for now. And these bits here we'll just save for a bit of a garnish at the end. Now I've got 2 skinless chicken thighs. So we'll just cut them up into small pieces, or strips if you like. I think I'll go strips. Just try to make sure they're evenly sized so they cook at the same rate. And there we go, now we can get frying. Now in a hot fry pan or wok, you want to add a bit of peanut oil, or vegetable oil, whatever you like, or even olive oil, that's always good. Then we can add in our chicken. And just start frying it around there. Now once the chicken's browned off a little bit, we can add in some garlic. Then I'm going to be using 1 heaped teaspoon of crushed garlic, or minced garlic, just in a jar. And then we want 3 teaspoons of ginger. Because remember, it is ginger chicken. That's about it. Get that moving around in there. Turn the fry pan down a little bit, medium high heat. Then we can add about a tablespoon of soy sauce, or maybe 2. Now once the chicken's nice and brown, we can add in the onions. Get that moving around in there. Now turn the heat right off, and we can add in a good handful of bean sprout. Yeah, just work them in with the remaining heat. You don't need a lot of heat for the bean sprouts. You don't want them to go too limp. Want it all nice and crunchy. Crunchy onions, crunchy bean sprouts. And that's pretty much it. Now we can stick it on a plate and call it done. Now we can add our spring onions as a bit of a garnish on top. And that's it. And just look at that. Gobble gobble. Well, if you enjoyed the video, maybe it gave you some ideas, leave a like, that'd be great. If you're new here and want to see more cooking videos, subscribe, that'd be awesome. And thanks for watching.